monument officially celebrated her 100th birthday on October 28, 1986. The people of France gave the statue to the people of the United States in recognition of the friendship established during the American Revolution. Over the years, the Statue of Liberty has grown to include freedom and democracy as well as this international friendship. Sculptor Frederick August Bartholdi was commissioned to design a sculpture with the year 1876 in mind for completion, to commemorate the centennial of the American Declaration of Independence. The statue was a joint effort between America and France, and it was agreed upon that the American people were to build the pedestal, and the French people were responsible for the statue and its assembly here in the United States. However, lack of funds was a problem on both sides of the Atlantic Ocean. Meanwhile, in France, Bartholdi required the assistance of Alexander Gustave Eiffel to design the massive iron pylon and secondary skeletal framework. The Statue of Liberty granite pedestal. Financing for the pedestal was completed in August 1885, and pedestal construction was finished in April of 1886. The statue was completed in France in July 1884 and arrived in New York Harbor in June of 1885 on board the French frigate Isère, which transported the Statue of Liberty from France to the United States. In transit, the statue was reduced to 350 individual pieces and packed in 214 crates. The statue was reassembled on her new pedestal in 4 months' time. On October 28, 1886, the dedication of the Statue of Liberty took place in front of thousands of spectators. The statue was placed upon a granite pedestal inside the courtyard of the star-shaped walls of Fort Wood. On October 15, 1924, a presidential proclamation declared Fort Wood, and the Statue of Liberty within it, a national monument. In 1933, the care and administration of the national monument was transferred to the National Park Service. In 1984, at the start of the statue's restoration, the United Nations designated the Statue of Liberty as a World Heritage Site. The newly restored statue opened to the public on July 5, 1986 during Liberty Weekend, which celebrated her centennial. Although the park's increased popularity resulted in the annual park visitation to reach over 5 million, the tragedy of September 11, 2001 resulted in the closure of Liberty Island. The island reopened after 100 days, however the statue remained closed until August 3, 2004. Visitors presently have access to the statue's pedestal, observation deck, promenade, museum and areas of Fort Wood. The crown of the Statue of Liberty eventually reopened to tourists on July 4, 2009. Bartholdi incorporated many symbolic features to his colossus. There are 25 windows in the crown representing gemstones found on the earth and the heavens rays shining over the world. The 7 rays of the statue's crown represent the 7 seas and continents of the world. The tablet which the statue holds in her left hand reads, in Roman numerals, July 4, 1776, the date of American independence. The copper used in creating the statue weighs 31 tons. The total weight of steel in the statue is 125 tons. The statue's concrete foundation weighs 27,000 tons. The copper sheeting of the statue is 2.37 millimeters thick. Wind sway, winds of 50 miles per hour cause the statue to sway 7.62 centimeters and the torch sways 12.70 centimeters.